In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok privacy settings. So what you want to do is you want to open up your TikTok, go to profile, and then on the top right click the hamburger menu and then click on settings and privacy. From there you want to click on privacy, and basically you want to say private account, and what that means is that with a private account only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos. Your existing followers won't be affected. And same goes for like comments, mentions, tags, messaging stories, and etc. Here's all the information you want so that you can enable or disable things, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.